Indian National Congress, Nyay Patra 2024, page 7. Social Justice continued. 11. We will include in the curriculum of schools the life and work of social reformers to spread the message of social justice. 12. We will establish Ambedkar Bhavans cum libraries in every district to promote the habit of reading and discussion. 13. We will enact a law with reference to the Article 15, Section 5 of the Constitution to provide for reservation in private educational institutions for SC, ST and OBC. 14. We will pass a law authorizing allocation of resources for the Scheduled Caste Sub-Plan and Tribal Sub-Plan within the annual budget and monitoring the execution of the plans. 15. Congress will end the evil of manual scavenging. Every manual scavenger will be rehabilitated, reskilled, provided a job, and assured a life of dignity and safety. The Prohibition of Manual Scavenging Act 2013 will be strictly implemented, and any person employing anyone for manual scavenging shall be punished. We will provide compensation of ₹30 lakh to families of sanitation workers, that is Safai Karmcharis, deceased while at work. We will allocate sufficient funds to enable the procurement of machines that will clean sewers and septic tanks and remove human waste. Free insurance will be provided to all sanitation workers. 16. The Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 will be enforced diligently. A helpline will be established in every state capital, and legal aid and paralegal support will be provided to victims of such atrocities. 17. Congress is committed to notify as scheduled area all habitations or groups of habitations where ST are the largest social group outside the present scheduled areas in all states and union territories. 18. A national mission will be set up for effective implementation of the Forest Rights Act 2006 through a dedicated FRA division, a separate budget and action plans. 19. The Congress will ensure settlement of all pending FRA claims within 1 year and establish a process for review of all rejected claims within 6 months. 20. Congress is committed to ensure that states enact laws in conformity with the framework of the Central Panchayats Extension to Scheduled Areas Act 1996 (PESA) to establish village council and autonomous district councils envisaged in PESA. 21. We will enact the Rohit Vemula Act to address discrimination faced by students belonging to the backward and oppressed communities in educational institutions. 22. We will implement the recommendations of the Renke Commission. We will provide free education for children belonging to the nomadic tribes and denotified tribes. 23. Congress will establish a diversity commission that will measure, monitor, and promote diversity in public and private employment and education. Subsection: Religious and Linguistic Minorities. The plurality of religions represents the history of India. History cannot be altered. All people living in India and all children born in India are equally entitled to enjoy human rights that includes the right to practice one's religion. Pluralism and diversity constitute the ethos of India and are enshrined in the preamble to the Constitution of India. Given the history and the democratic traditions of India, the Congress believes that there is no place for authoritarianism or majoritarianism. Linguistic and religious minorities are granted human and civic rights under the Constitution of India. Congress pledges to uphold and protect these rights.